Today we don't have really a set schedule yet. Probably have a house wash, we probably don't. But that is the house right there. And you can kind of see the landscaper working on a bush already. No, I actually I don't do any type of repair work. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Northern Wash Pressure Washing. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today we don't have really a set schedule yet. We kind of know what we're doing, but we're not sure yet. It really depends on the first estimate of today, because I spoke with them yesterday. They said that they're looking to get it done as soon as possible because they're probably going to have a party on the weekend. So I told them that I could work with them, that I could come out today in the morning, and if we agree on a price, I can stay there and wash it. So probably have a house wash, we probably don't. It's okay either way because I do have a couple of estimates that I can go do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully everything goes smooth today. Hopefully we have a house wash. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I just got done doing the estimate and talking with the customer, and the customer said yes. Unfortunately, I can't do the job because she also had her landscaper here, and the landscaper was doing the trimming all around the house. So I talked to him. I tried to see if I could do it, if he would be okay with it, but it just wasn't gonna work out. He's trimming everything, so then what was gonna happen is I was gonna get all the bushes wet, and his blades weren't gonna be able to cut. Plus it was gonna become even a bigger mess because of the trimmings. Also, I didn't want to get any chemical on him, accidentally spray him down, so it was just not gonna work, you know. So it's unfortunate, but whatever. I'll just try to come back again later on during the week. They said that I can come back later on in the evening, but it would be too late, and the sun's going down a lot earlier now. Plus I have other things I have to do after work. So I'm gonna try to come back Friday. So, and that's if the weather doesn't change my schedule, because there's one day open right now. There might be a possibility of rain, of a rain out. So if that happens, I have Friday open, and then I'm not going to be able to service her because she only wanted it done before Saturday. I did make sure to ask her that if nobody else was coming on Friday, because I don't want this to happen again. And she said, no, you're going to be the only one that's coming on Friday. I asked the landscaper too, like, are you gonna come again? He's like, I'm supposed to come tomorrow and cut the grass, but I'm just gonna cut it today. So we should be good for Friday. Yeah, man, it's unfortunate. I'll show you guys the house actually real quick. Oh, and of course I can't zoom, but that is the house right there, and you can kind of see the landscaper working on a bush already. So that's the house that we're gonna come back and do. So this video took a turn. I guess you guys will follow me along with estimates today. Something new. Let me go find where I can park. I just moved down a couple roads and I found the park, and I'm gonna contact these customers real quick. I'll first look up where they are, so let me do that first. Northern Wash Pressure Washing, how you doing? Good. I was just reaching out to you because I got your request for an estimate. I was wondering if you were still interested. I'm actually in Vernon Hills right now, so I was wondering if I could stop by for the estimate in like maybe what, 10-15 minutes. Okay, it would only just be me walking around the property, so around the house, and then I could just send it to you via email or text message, whatever you prefer, and I could talk to you at a different time. Is that okay with you, or do you still want to do a different day?
I prefer to do a different day. My husband is actually home. I don't want to between schools come over and we've gone.
Okay, all right, I'll let you know. I'll send you a text message of when I can come out again for the estimate then.
Great, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Goodbye. Okay, so they weren't available today. They said they prefer to be home, so they probably want to talk to me and have questions. I'm gonna see if I can do that estimate when I come back to this house on Friday. So let me put that in my schedule real quick. No, I actually I don't do any type of repair work. And then also I wanted to let you know I don't seal any concrete. I'm strictly just power washing. I just wash it. So I'm not really sure if you're still interested in getting an estimate from me or if you're looking for someone to do it all at once.
Yeah, I'm looking for someone to do it all.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Sorry about that then.
Okay. Alright, thanks for calling.
All right, you're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.
All right, so that was a fail again. Yeah, he's looking for somebody to do the concrete wash, fix a crack in the concrete, and then seal the concrete. And fortunately, I don't do any repair work, so let's contact the Lake Villa person. Hopefully we don't strike out.
Call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hi, this message is for... All right, so they weren't available. Let me rephrase that. Nobody picked up, so I left a voicemail, and now I'm going to text them to see if I can still stop by today. I'm going to now contact the Grizz Lake House, and actually when I go there and I do the estimate, I'm gonna offer to stay there and just do the house wash. I mean, it's still not that late. All of the other estimates fell through, so why not, right?
Okay, thank you for the call.
All right, no problem. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, thank you. Bye. All right, sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that estimate. Hopefully we stay and wash the house, right? And if not, it's fine. I really need to do some editing. All right, guys, I got an update. I think it went good. She just wants to talk it over with her husband. While I was driving, I did get a couple text messages that came in. I had three of them that came in. So let's go through them. If I approve now, would you be able to come before Sunday? Possibly. Ouch. I don't think so. It's too late of a notice. Let's see what this one says. Yes, I should be free by 9 a.m., but I am in a meeting until then. They said Friday would be good. Last message. Hi Daniel, I actually was able to get someone to stop by yesterday and they are doing the work today. You can disregard my request, but thank you for reaching out. Oh, this was for the one in Antioch, I think. This happens quite often actually, either in my favor or against me in this instance, but I blame this. I call this the Amazon Prime effect, because I feel like ever since then people want everything really fast and quick as far as like a service or a product, like right away, quick turnaround. And sometimes it works in your favor, sometimes it doesn't. I saw they called me yesterday in the afternoon, well, not in the evening, I should say. They called me in the evening. I was already at the soccer game with my daughters, so I couldn't answer the phone, and I got back to them this morning. I saw, and they already hired somebody. I mean, sometimes I don't know if it's true or not, or maybe they changed their mind, but they already said they hired somebody and someone's doing the work already today. So I mean, it's whatever. I mean, I know I can't get all the jobs, so it's fine. It's no problem. I did my part where I don't leave anybody hanging. I think that's really unprofessional. Man, there's even been times where I drop the ball and I don't get back to them for like 2 weeks, and I'm like, hey, I'm sorry, do you still need an estimate? They're like, no, we already found someone. But at least I still contacted them. I don't want anybody saying, oh, that guy never got back to me. Tomorrow we have a house wash, main entrance concrete, and then concrete basement stairs. It's a pretty big project. Those stairs are nasty. Wait till I show you guys. It's like stairs to the basement door. So it gets like literally no sun. It's all shade, and it literally has a carpet. If I remember, it literally has a carpet of moss in some areas. So that'll be a huge transformation. So yeah, that's it for today. No pressure washing on the video today, but you guys got to see a little bit of my estimates. I'm gonna go home and do some video editing. See you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.